Hi everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Valorant penalties and help you understand the process step by step. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to Riot Support. Then log in using the same Riot Games account that received the penalty in Valorant. This ensures your appeal is linked to the correct account and keeps everything official. Step 2. Scroll down to the bottom of the support page and click on Submit a Ticket. Then select Valorant as the game. Step 3. Under Request. Type, choose, discuss a personal suspension or restriction. This option is important because it tells Riot you want to appeal a specific penalty on your account. Step 4. In the subject line, briefly explain the issue, then answer the question about your voice chat ban accurately. This gives Riot a clear summary of your problem and helps them understand the context quickly. Step 5. In the description box, explain your situation clearly. Attach any proof if you have it, and click Submit to send your appeal. Providing details and evidence increases your chances of a successful resolution. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful guides.